Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith Training. This video is about my favorite deadbolt and one of the most popular and versatile deadbolts we sell. It's the Schlage B660. I'm going to show you why I love it and the adaptability it is, what we can use it from just a simple Schlage C Keyway to the C123 to the Primus. Also able to put in any other keyway almost. We can put in Weisers, Kwikset, Sargents, Abloys. It's a fantastic lock. It's very versatile, and it really cuts down on our stock. And this is sort of an in-depth into the Schlage B660. This is the Schlage B660 Deadbolt. 626 is the color, and C123 is the keyway. I absolutely love this deadbolt. It's extremely versatile, and it's a fantastic heavy-duty deadbolt that's even good for residential and good for all commercial applications. So let's just, when we unbox it here, we'll put out the bits and pieces that are in here. And instructions, we don't read the instructions. So here's what we get. We have a nice heavy-duty deadbolt. It's got the security collar, or anti-spin or whatever. It's solid. It's a weight. You know, it's very, very heavy sort of deadbolt. It's fantastic. We'll get into it more later, but I love that we can put almost anything into it. I absolutely love this deadbolt. We'll get into it as we install it. But here's out of the box. It's an extremely difficult lock to pick because we have it's 6-pin. It's extremely tight tolerances. Locksmiths hate picking these things. They're really hard. And what makes it even tougher, it's so simple. It's got a little check pin down here. So you got to pick it, which is hard, and then you got to make sure you get the check pin. It's not pick resistant. It's just extremely difficult to pick. If you want pick resistance, then we go into the Primus High Security, which is similar with a lot more, it's UL listed as a pick resistant. Really pick resistant, not some of these fake company standards. This is UL listed as a pick resistant. Not this one. This is a C123, different keyways, very versatile. Now what I really like is it has this collar on here, and the main point of it is ice pick resistant. So if they try to, this is an ice pick shield, which is still an extremely popular method of defeating locks, is they come in from the top and they attack the top of the lock with an ice pick, and it just goes right through the wooden door, some of the metal doors, maybe not the commercial doors, but basically that is so simple. It's in there and it protects it from ice pick attacks. Now what's really good as well, and we highly recommend this, on your strike, this goes in the edge of the door frame, you run the 3-inch screws. And what these do is they go right into the 2x4. Hopefully the door's got a 2x4, it's framed correctly. And these 3-inch screws make it really hard to kick the door in. I actually prefer a longer strike, but out of the box this is pretty good. You'll see my other videos where I like the 18-inch long strike plate, but this in a pinch, in a package, this is fantastic. It's the B660. It's very heavy duty. It's very pick resistant. It's the same lock we put on the hospitals and the schools. If you ever look at the locks at hospitals and schools, they're usually a B660 or something around that. Fantastic lock, extremely durable. I've seen these things 25, 30 years on. The old versions of this my dad put in are still working. So they're fantastic. The schools love them. And again, it's fantastic for residential. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.